and I am with CFI Live. I'm starting a new page to bring people together for aviation of all kinds. I'm calling it CFI Live because I am a flight instructor and I hope to bring some instruction to the table as well. I'm out of Titusville, Pennsylvania, and I've been flying since 2018. I've been into aviation since I was 10. Took my first flight when I was 12 and just fell in love with it ever since. So stick with me and hopefully we can build some content together. Right now I'm in the 172S model and I'm in a pre-flight and get things ready to go. Thanks for watching. Check out the runway conditions. Taxiways are clear. Welcome to the Titusville Airport. Obviously, same rules apply for uncontrolled airports. I'm coming out to take a look at the runway. I'm observing the entire field. The runway looks fantastic. We have a little bit of ice. I think it'll be okay.
Hello everybody, we are back in the airplane after a lot of time, but feels good nonetheless. Alright, we have the avionics on, annunciators none shown, flaps are up. Right now we're just kind of waiting for the engine to come to life a little bit. Our temp's real low. Pressure looks good. Fuel flow's in the green. Our taxi light on. Titusville traffic, Skyhawk 53 Alpha, taxi from fuel pump over to 19, Titusville. Checking out my flight controls, everything's real nice. I'll hold short here. Engine warm up a little bit. We're still sub 75. Alright, our seats are up right and locked. Seatbelts are on and secure. Cabin doors are shut and locked. Windows are shut and locked. Autopilot is off. I'm not going to use it this flight. Flight instruments are good. We have our heading on our magnetic compass. Current coordinator looks good. Altitude set. Titusville traffic, Skyhawk 53 Alpha is taking runway 19, close traffic, Titusville. Hey, rudder. Ooh, board. Jimmy. Titusville traffic 53 Alpha, abort takeoff. Well, it looks like we have a problem with the shimmy damper. I am unable to maintain directional control. That going on. So we're gonna take a look at that and come back to you. But this is a good example of how to identify a problem. I started shaking real bad and I just didn't feel comfortable with that and I aborted the takeoff. Well, there's no flying today. Our strut is too low. So we're gonna take it nice and easy and put her back in the hangar. Nothing I can do about that today. Alright, we're in the hangar.
Well, sometimes things don't go as planned, and if 2020 has anything to teach us, that would be to expect the unexpected and plan for a better day. We have blue skies and low winds. The way that things have been going, it just really teaches us patience. 4 hours in the car, 0 hours in the air, but we will get back to it. This is just one hiccup in a otherwise very fun, very rewarding activity. Just so you guys know where we are, this is what we're dealing with out here. Oh my goodness. So even when the weather looks like this on the ground, it's still so beautiful up there. We could have went. We just have to be careful of icing, traffic, and ourselves. Take care.